Hello there, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song There Will Be a Day by Jeremy Camp. This song was recommended by Patron Ezra. Thank you, Ezra, for your song suggestion. Now, what I'm going to do first is play all the way through the song, and then at the end, I'll break it down and explain it in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
Try to hold on to this world with everything I have, but I feel the weight of what it brings. And a hurt that tries to grab the many trials that seem to never end. His word declares this truth, that we will enter in this rest. Wonders in you, but I hold on to His hope and the promise that He brings, that there will be a place with no more suffering. There will be a day with no more tears, no more pain, no of this place will be no more. We'll see Jesus face to face. But until that day, we'll hold on to you always. The journey seems so long, you feel you're walking on your own, but there has never been a step where you walked out all alone. Troubled soul, don't lose your heart, 'cause joy and peace He brings, and the beauty that's in store outweighs the hurt of life's sting. But I hold on to His hope and the promise that He brings, that there will be a place with no more suffering. There will be a day with no more fear, no more pain, no more fears. There will be a day when the burdens of this place will be no more. We'll see Jesus face to face. Till that day, we'll hold on to you. I can't wait until that day where the very one I live always will wipe away the sorrow that I face. To touch the scars that rescued me from a life of shame and misery. Oh, this is why I say there will be a day with no more tears, no more pain, no more fears. There will be a day when the burdens of this place will be no more. We'll see Jesus face to face. But until that day, we'll hold on to you always.
All right, now before I break this song down, if you want to check out the chord chart for this song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page. Now, for this song, we're going to be playing with the C chord family. So we're going to be starting, though, off with that A minor. Now, I'm playing the A minor 7 alternative, which is just one finger less than a traditional A minor. So you could do either one that you want. You could just do a traditional A minor, or you can remove that third finger and make it an A minor 7. Of course, this is going to be a little bit easier, and it makes transitioning to a C chord or something like that a lot easier because that's one less finger to think about. We also have an F over C. This is a great F alternative in the C chord family because we don't have to bar anything. Okay, then we have that regular C chord, that C major, and then we have a G. Now, anytime I play a G in a C chord family, I use this G, which is with my second, third, and fourth finger. Again, this is for ease of transitions. I can get to and from other chords in this family a lot faster if I play my G like this, rather than with my first, second, and third finger like this. Okay, so we always choose chords that make the transitions a lot easier for the chords that are being played around it. All right, and that's going to be it, I think, for this song. We've only got those 4 chords, A minor, F, C, and G, for the whole song. Okay, so nice and simple there. For the strum pattern, we've got the very, very simple driving pattern, which is just 4 beats. We've got 4 down strums with an up strum after beat 4, and then that pattern repeats. We also want to make sure we're putting emphasis on beat 1 and 3. So every other beat, we're going to be strumming harder. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And that's pretty much it for this song. Very straightforward. Most of these chords, for the verse, each chord is lasting for 1 measure. Okay, and then let's see, even for the pre-chorus, but when we get to that chorus, the chords are gonna be held for 2 measures each instead of 1. Okay, so just keep that in mind. The difference of the timing of the chords are going to be a little bit different from verse to chorus. Okay. All right, yep, that's it for this song. So if you do have any questions, feel free to post any of your questions about playing this song in the comment section of this post on my Patreon page. I do answer all of my patrons' questions, so feel free to do that. Again, you can head to my Patreon page up there, and that's where you can ask your questions. And I look forward to seeing you in the next song tutorial. Okay, take care.